Grade 1, grade 1, welcome to our lesson today. Welcome to our lesson today. Welcome to our lesson today. We are looking at environmental activities. Today, we are learning environmental activities. So let us start. We start by learning on sound. Last time we also learned about sound, and I told you how sound is produced, where sound we get a sound, different types of sounds. We learned all those. So today we are still looking at sound, still looking at sound, still looking at sound, and we said sound is produced by. How is sound produced? How is sound produced? Number one, how sound is produced. Number one is hitting. When we hit an object, there is sound that is produced. Number two, blowing. Number two, blowing. Number three, plucking. Plucking. Number four, tapping. Tapping. Number five, snapping. Snapping. Then number six, shaking. Shaking. Now write these points down. Write the points down. Let me give you some minutes to write before we continue. Write them down, how sound is produced. I know you've written. Now let's continue. Sounds that alert us on danger. Now, when we are in danger, there are sounds that are usually made or produced and they alert us while we are in danger. Let's look at these sounds. Number one, ambulance. All of us know ambulance, or if you have not seen, you have heard one. Ambulance that carries sick people. When a sick person is found, the ambulance comes and carries the person to the hospital, takes him to the hospital. So ambulance, there is a sound that makes it alerts us, and we know that is an ambulance passing, or that is an ambulance coming. Police siren, police siren, police siren, usually on police vehicles. If you see a siren, police siren or an alarm, you know there are thieves or robbers in that area or an accident. Police siren indicates there are thieves or robbers in that area. Fire engine siren, a building burning. When there is a fire outbreak or burning, fire engine siren, there is a building burning. So a fire engine comes to put off the fire. Screaming, when someone screams or when you are screaming, it means you are in sharp pain or danger. You are in sharp pain or danger. So write these notes also down. Write those notes also down. Let me give you 1 second to write or minute to write. I know you have written. Let's go. Now, teachers talk with children. So we want to talk about in case of there is a fire in your building or there is fire at school, what do we do? So listen to the teacher how you are supposed to how you are supposed to do when there is a fire outbreak. When there is fire outbreak. So hello children, I am Mr. Philip. Do the following in case of fire. Hello children, I am Mr. Philip. Do the following in case of fire. The first one, stay calm after the alarm. When you hear the alarm and there is fire, stay calm. Don't run, don't rush. Just stay calm. Number two, walk outside the class to the fire assembly ground. You walk slowly, don't rush, don't push, don't cause commotion. Just walk slowly outside the class to the fire assembly. Now, fire assembly is a specific place where people meet when there is a fire outbreak. Then after that, three, wait for the teacher to give instructions. You wait for the teacher to tell you what to do, either to go home or to go back to class if the fire is contained. Then walk back to class. Walk back to class. Number last, fire drill is over. The fire will be over. Write this note down in your books. Now, after all this, you write all the notes in your books. Write neatly using good handwriting. Just write slowly. Don't rush so that you write well and it should be clear so that the teacher can see. Do that work. Write all the notes that we have discussed today in your books.